Over our trade sheets, couldn't help but notice you bought another 100,000 shares of Gillis Industries.
It's gonna be fine.
Do I look like an asshole to you?
You're talking hostile takeover.
Gillis Industries.
Logan, we have a conflict.
You're either with me or against with this.
What the hell is that?
He wants all files relating to the Gillis Industries takeover.
Oh, I don't want the files. I'm taking them.
Bullshit. Who is it?
Gillis Industries.
That's not a whale, that's a monster. A man.
In English vocabulary, we will learn the word industries. It means the aggregate of manufacturing or technically productive enterprises in a particular field, often named after its principal product, the automobile industry, the steel industry. Also means any general business activity, commercial enterprise, the Italian tourist industry. Pay attention to the pronunciation. The first one is the word represented using the International Phonetic Alphabet. To pronounce industries, have in mind that the size of the syllable indicates where the accent or stress is. In this case, the accent is in the first syllable, corresponding to in. Below are other ways to pronounce it. Now, let's see how industries is used in real life.
Wexler is divested.
Gillis Industries. That's not a whale.
Trade sheets, couldn't help but notice you bought another
Gillis Industries.
Logan, we have.
Glendon Hill, France, Sancorp Industries.
He wants all files relating to the Gillis Industries takeover.
Yourself from him.
Okay, you need to stay out of it.
And I will.
In a room with that guy is if you guarantee that I leave with Gillis Industries.
Bullshit story about a stock purchase.
Take the test at accent101.com to find out si sabes inglés o hablas inglés.